Hi, I'm in my closet today to bring you the next installment of Prioritize Organizing, a series of posts that we're doing about how you can get more organized in your home or maintain the organization in your home in 5-minute increments. So I'm in my closet today. The closet is a great place to just maintain the organization in your home. You use your closet every day, so wouldn't it be wonderful if it could stay organized? So in order to do that, just take 5 minutes and organize one part of your closet. Maybe it's what's on the shelves above your hanging space, or maybe it's part of your hanging space, just shirts or just pants. Whatever works for you, taking 5 minutes here and there will maintain the space in your closet. Are you looking for more space in your closet? Then I suggest you purchase an extra hanging rod. They hang from your existing rod and will allow you to make a second rod below maybe your shirts or your pants. Whatever is shortest works best. So you might want to put your shirts on the top and your pants on the bottom, but it also might work to put your pants on the top. That might be a better option for you. So consider taking a 5-minute increment out of your day to get just a little more organized in your closet.